Yeah, hi buddies. So in this video we are going to see about we are going to create a chat application using Firebase database and Firebase authentication, OTP authentication, all those things. Okay. So let's start. Okay. So let me show you the UI related things. So this is the UI we are going to see. It's the onboarding screen, login, onboarding, sign up, and OTP verification, main chat screen, and this is the chat and delete chat and search and profile and edit profile. So these are the screens we are going to uh, in the application. It will be available in the application and the designs are ready, so I don't want to waste time on designs. So if you want to see those designs, how to make me, just let me know in comments. I'll make some other related videos. It's based on the probability. I will check. Okay, so otherwise you can see the login screen design is ready, login screen, logout screen, sign up screen, OTP screen, all designs are ready in applications. Okay, we will see one by one while working on the applications. Okay, so just create. So this is the onboarding activity. So first we go and create a navigation for onboarding activity. Okay, so let me create a onboarding. Okay, in these screens. Okay, onboarding. Okay, okay, compose. Onboarding navigations. Okay, so this is onboarding navigation. It's a spelling mistake, Navigation navigation, spelling is right. Okay, fine, leave it. So in the navigation, so we can do navigations in two ways. Like we can use it data class and we can transfer it, but I'm going to use like just a enum to object to navigate. Okay, navigation object. Okay, yeah, so now it is done. So based on this we are going to create navigation flow inside the onboarding navigations. Okay, so first we need onboarding navigation, means we need a nav controller. Remember nav controller. Okay, then we can, as usual, we'll take view. Okay, we don't need this let for now. When we need it we'll take it. Okay, nav host, nav controller. So there is no graph. Instead of graph we are going to start destination. Okay, start destination is onboarding object dot onboarding screen. Okay, so this is the starting screen. Okay, once we start the screen with this place, and we are going to add other composables. Okay, composables. Okay, in this composable I'm going to add root is equal to check dot login screen. So inside the screen, login screen. Okay, so I'll just, okay, sign up, login. Okay, sign up screen, OTP screen. Okay, OTP 3. Okay, so now the navigation is ready actually. So the only thing, we need to send this navigation controller to all the screens actually. Okay, so then only it will work. Add parameter, add parameter, add parameter. Okay, so we just added all the screens with navigation parameters. Okay, we don't need this one. Okay, so you can see navigation parameters. So now we created the navigation, onboarding navigation. Okay, so I'm just going to call this navigation over here. I don't want to call these things. Okay, so now what will happen? Oh, where is it? What is the error? Okay, we can just So for dummy navigations, right, we can just take it this one. Okay, so just everything you need to, so later we need to pass all the view models and everything, but for now we just show it like that. Okay, so this is fine. So now we will go and connect the Firebase in our application. So there is a two ways of connecting Firebase. So you can directly add a dependency and you can connect. Otherwise there is another way. You can go to tools, you have a option called Firebase. If you go click at tools, you have an option called Firebase. So if we click the Firebase, for that you have to log in here. So we have an option, so we can log into our application Gmail in Android Studio. Okay, so once we log into that, you can directly, you don't want to go to the web browser and you can do all these stuffs and you can download the JSON file. Also, that is one of the ways. So I am going to show you the simple way. Okay, so go to the tools and click Firebase. It will open a window over here like this with this. Okay, so this is a Firebase window. So in this Firebase window you can see everything. Okay, analytics, if you want analytics you can implement this. If you want authentication, you can implement real-time data. So everything you can do, what you can do it over here. So I'm just going to create, we are going to do authentication. Okay, so using Google, no, we are not going to use Google. Okay, cloud crash. Okay. Okay, yeah, we'll just add this one. So you need to connect to the Firebase. Okay, first for connecting to the Firebase they will give an option. So if you click this one, it will open a browser, default browser for you. So in that browser you can just open it. So it will ask you the permission to connect, which one you need to connect. So if this is the one you want to connect, means you can connect it over here. So I have already some of the application. So this application I already created to connect. So I'm just clicking this application, and so now our application is connected to this Firebase. Okay, so this Firebase, so now it is connected. So if you go to the Android Studio and see, it is connected. Okay, so add authentication SDK to your app. Okay, so I'm adding, so you can see it here, Google service. It will, if we don't want to add it by ourselves, it will automatically add it in your project level and grid level, the Google and auth application. Okay, so I just added both two things. Okay, so for OTP verification, this is for Google sign. We are not going to do Google sign in application. We are going to do only OTP verification. We are not going to make session for, we are not going to give any session with Firebase. So we are going to use OTP to verify our mobile number application, and we are going to do that. Okay, so for that you can just go to over here. Okay, Firebase console. So I'm just going to, you just open the Firebase console. So if you, where is it, go to the console. Okay, so if I go to the console, I can see my applications, right? So once you see the application, just click on it and you can actually go to this authenticator. If you go, okay, so there is a lot of authentication modules over here. So you need to providers. Okay, so username and password means with username and password we can verify, and this one, and anonymous means anything unknown, something not without username and password, anything is user ID or password, like that. Okay, we are going to use phone. Okay, additional providers are you are having here. These things also we can use it, the Google Center, whatever, these are all social media logins like that, so we can use it. So for now in this application we took like phone number because it is a chat application, so we are going to do phone number. Okay, so we need to enable this one. So okay, so for privacy things, we can send only 10 OTP per day. Okay, with the free plan. Okay, so this is free plan only. It is like pay as you go. We don't be chargeable for this. So I'm just enabling. So you can add your demo numbers. Okay, so it is like I'm going to add some fake number, like I'll just add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this is a 10 number, and the OTP verification code also you can add 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this is the number, I just add it. Okay, so enable and save. So once we enabled, we have to, okay, what is that? Okay, yeah, 1 2 3 4. So actually the number is added, so no worries. So if we don't want to use our original number to take the application, so whenever we want to mainly check, you can use the any other original number. So otherwise you can use the test users. Okay, so now this is enabled. So if you want, You can see it over here. So you can add any already session the user means you can add it over here. So you have to add user and you have to use. Okay. So that's what. So you can see it over here 10 per day. SMS daily quota is 10 per day. You can send only 10 SMS. Okay. So these things are different. So then here, okay. So this is for cloud messaging. You want to add key value pairs. Okay. Generate, and this is our application. So we have to add a sharp fingerprint. Okay. So for sharp fingerprint, this is for verifying which application we are going to use it. Okay. So it is like let me show you how to take the sharp fingerprint. So I am little confused. In previous version we can take it from this griddle actually. So you can see it over here. So it is like if the griddle is not builded, you can click it and you need to select options in the environment. Okay. So it is like settings. So in the experimental you need to select these options, these two options, and you can reload the griddle. So you can see the Android, and if you can see the sign in report, right? So if you double click the sign in report, it will be running. So once it is finished, you can get the SHA-1 or SHA-52. Okay. So I think let me go and okay, add fingerprint. I'm just adding and saving. Okay. So once I added that, so once you added this one, this app is connected with your system with the SHA key. So then you need to download the JSON file. Okay. So my JSON is downloaded. Okay. So I'll just take my downloaded JSON file and we need to paste it. We'll change this to project view, and you can see already have a JSON file. Okay. So we have to paste that one in this place. Okay, inside the application. So just paste it, and I'm going to replace that one. So actually, okay, yeah, overwrite it. Okay. So now it is overwritten. So the client is done. Okay. So once it is done, we can start working on the OTP send and receive method. Okay. And it's done. So it is like we need to create a onboarding view model. Okay. So I'll just go and create the onboarding view model. Okay. So I'm just creating an onboarding view model class. Okay. So it should extend a view model. Okay. View model. Okay. So it should extend a view model. So view model will have one function on cleared. Okay. So here we are not using the Hilt or something. So if you want to use any Hilt data injection or something, means actually we can use it. We can use mostly. So yeah, let me see. We can add the Hilt data injection over here. I have a plugin. Yeah. So in the project level, we can add these things. Okay, so I implemented a Hilt over here. Hilt project is done. So just if we added a Hilt, it means we need to add application class actually. So then only it will be working. So for that, I'm just creating an application class. Okay. What is this? Full spelling mistakes. Okay. Firebase app. Okay. This one is application. Okay. So this should be annotated with Hilt Android app. Okay. So this should be annotated with Hilt Android app. We'll just implement whatever the lifecycle function we can implement over here. Okay. So this one we need to add it over here. Okay. So this is added. Okay. So then it is fine. So we have implemented the Hilt. We have a navigation screen, and we have we have connected to Firebase, and in this view model we are going to add all of the other things. Okay. So this is a view model. So first of all, let me show you the login. Close other tabs. Okay. So let me show you so this is the screen. So where is the onboarding screen? Yeah, so this is the onboarding screen. So from this onboarding screen we are going to navigate. So onboarding screen doesn't have navigations actually. Yeah, so this nav controller need to be go in. Where is it? Okay. Okay, onboarding screen. Onboarding screen. Okay, so okay, okay, we'll just add a navigation through here also for the preview. Okay, so navigation screen. So from here, where is it? Where is the two buttons? Okay, so login button and sign up button. Login bot, navigate, onboarding object dot login. Okay, so the same thing we are going to do with here, sign up. Okay, so we have a navigation for login and sign up right now. Okay, so once we have a navigation for login and sign up, we can directly go to the login screen. So first we'll go to the sign up screen. Okay, so there is a sign up screen, so we can see, you can see, I think. So if you can see, we have a form for this. So okay, so get ready to chat, and after that if you go sign up, mobile number. Okay, with the mobile number we are going to sign up. We have one more text, yeah, username. We are getting the username and mobile number for this one. Okay, so for that we are going to create one model class. It is like I'll get data. Okay, package model. Okay, we'll just create one class like it's a data class. It's like user model. Okay, user model. I'll just data class. So this is the model class. We are going to use it inside the screen. Okay, sign up screen. Okay, so this is a screen. So in this screen actually we can take things from here. Okay, where model by remember. Okay, remember mutable state of user model. Okay, so this will expect an parameter. Okay, what is this? We need to import the getter and one more setter. It will ask setter. Okay, so we will give some default index. Yeah, fine. Now it won't expect anything in here. I think we can added a null. Okay, so once we added a null, so it won't expect anything. So through this view model we can get and set the value over here. Okay, username, is equal to, there is no, we can't do that actually, right? Username, copy, username is equal to it. Okay, what is it? Yeah, fine. Okay, same count for this mobile. So for, but mobile we have some other restrictions, so we will do it in the next video. For now we don't want to do that actually. mobile number. Okay, so for in this video we just connected to the Firebase and we just added the form. Okay, I'll just explain the screens also. Okay, so I think this is more for this videos, and then we'll see the remaining things in the upcoming video, how to get the data and send the OTP and added the new user to the Firebase. So what are the module structures? It is like what are the data collections we are going to use it in the Firebase. So those things and all I'll just explain. Okay, yeah, thank you.